Your dinner.
Oh, gosh.
What? He's a beast tonight. This is your beastly side. Look at that. So gross. You're 14 and a half months, Julian. Is that what dinner's like for you? It's a struggle, right? Julian, are you hungry? But I have to go away, and I know I have to go. Chicken. One minute, shut it. Daddy's bossy with the camera. Bossy.
You can't drunk her in. You're still not there to pay the bills.
Every night. Are we judging?
This is fine.
Are we gonna judge? No, I agree. No judgment. Who, me? Mama? What's wrong? You're a disaster. You need a bath. You're like covered in food. Look at this. This is so gross. Do you see this? You got food on your feet. You got food on your toes and your nose. And your feet and your teeth. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses. Bye-bye. Bye, blow kisses. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Mwah. Blow kisses. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say blow kisses. Bye-bye.
Yummy.
Say bye-bye.